money, more money, more money.
Welcome to the new redefine of Keep Moving Forward. This is your time to learn something new of what you didn't know before. Welcome back to Keep Moving Forward. But before we continue, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you'll know when the next video of Keep Moving Forward is posted. Alright, so on this channel, you will learn things about how to fuel your mind and master your money. Alright, so if you've been rocking with me for the last, 43 weeks, so going into 44 weeks, we have been on a money challenge with a twist. Alright, so basically the twist comes into play how for the last there's a 52-week money challenge, and usually a dollar money challenge at that. Usually what would happen is every week you would increase the number of the dollar that you already had paid into yourself pretty much until the end. So it would start for the first week you said $1, second week $2.
Must celebrate with a nap.
Sorry, $3 and so forth and so forth. But with the twist, we decided to switch it up to where we took the hardest part, which is $52, and decrease it every week $1 less than what we had originally started with in the beginning. So it looks a little something like this. Alright, and so what that looks like pretty much is the first week you say $52 in week 50, first week 51 going decrease, so it would be the second week we would say $51, and the third week we would say $50, and the fourth week would be $49, so forth and so forth. And we've gotten to this point. I cannot believe we've gotten to this point so far as we continue to save on our journey of saving $1,378. We are now at week 44, but we're saving this week $9. I'm not even going to tell you, I have no idea where the time has gone. I want to congratulate you in advance for getting to this point, whether that is for putting a down payment on a car, saving money for a vacation, or just taking the money to eventually pay down some debt. Whatever it may be, congratulations for getting this point. And as we continue to keep moving forward in this amazing money challenge, I want to show you how this week, on week 44, we've saved $9 and what that looked like. So stay tuned. Hi, thank you guys for coming and being a part of this amazing journey with me for this week as we go into week 44, where we'll be saving $9. So let me get my handy dandy envelope box, which is here, as we begin to save for this particular week. Alright, so we're going to review from last week, and we're going to go right into this week. So we're on week 44. We'll be saving $9. And I'm sorry, but every time I think about it, I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I cannot believe where the time has gone. Let me get my handy dandy pen and the money for this week, which is $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so last week we saved 133 plus $9, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry the 1 before, so we're at 3, 192. And that will take the $1,342 is where we're at. I'm going to add the $9 in that I already counted for. much we have saved. Alright, so whatever it is that, I just want to say congratulations for getting to this point of saving. We're at 1,342. We're not far off from our goal. Saving $1,378. It just seems like it's like a few more. We're almost there. So I thank you guys for rocking with me for this many weeks and pretty much getting to this point. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you guys next week as we go to week 45. We'll be saving $8. I can't believe where the time has gone. But I pray each and every one of you guys watching that you guys will have a blessed week. And I look forward to seeing you slowly but surely in the future as we save next week for week 45. $8. So I look forward to seeing you guys next week on our journey. And if you are just joining the cause and the movement, know that this is not a race. This is the marathon. So the fact that you got to this point says so much in how much you can continue to keep pushing, keep striving, and keep moving forward.